Hello, welcome back to the Indian Prepper channel. So today I'll make a recipe with you. Today we are making seafood. Here you can see I have couple of king crab legs I got from Costco. So Costco sells king crab legs in a pack of maybe 6 to 7 or 7 to 9, like two sets, which are like $25 per pound and $27 per pound, something like that. So I got a pack of king crab legs. So today I'm going to make a Cajun recipe with the king crab legs. So for my recipe, what I need are the ingredients. So I'll show you. So it is a butter sauce recipe. So I have got some butter. So this may be around 2 tablespoons of butter, roughly. And for my base, I have ginger. I've taken 2 inches of ginger, a quarter of an onion. These are 4 cloves chopped, 4 cloves, as in not the whole garlic. This is the garlic, and I have taken just the 4 cloves of the garlic. Over here is my spice mix. So I have taken tablespoon each of the following spices. I've taken Old Bay seasoning. This is my favorite for the seafood. I've taken minced onion and minced garlic powder. I've taken teaspoon of pepper powder, lemon pepper seasoning. So these are all from Walmart. I have taken a teaspoon of coriander powder, dry coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Slappy Mama, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or cayenne pepper. I think that's about it. So when you take everything, it is this much, and on top of it I've put about half a teaspoon of oregano. So I have oregano here somewhere. So this is the oregano, dried oregano, and I will be using a couple of spoonfuls or maybe capfuls of the Worcester sauce. So this is a nice sauce for seafood. And now let's get cooking our crab legs. All right. So that's my pan, which is heating up. I have kept my stove on the medium, and I have taken a flat bottomed pan, and the diameter of the pan is bigger because of this crab legs. The crab legs are bigger, and I don't want to like kind of fold or cut the crab legs more. You can see one of the pieces missing from here, like this piece. I did not find it over there in the packet. So these crab legs are usually like this long. I don't know what's the length of these, but yeah. So those are the legs, and this is the pan, and in goes my butter. Now, to prevent your butter from burning, you can put some oil first, heat up some olive oil first, and then leave your butter in there. I have just kept my butter there because I know that I have kept it on low, and I will take care not to burn the butter as much. And I'm just going and coating my pan like so. So I've taken the Kerrygold butter, and I'm putting on my exhaust. All right, and now let me go in with my onion. So if you can see, my onions are just handful, maybe because of the size of the seafood or the amount of seafood that I have taken. If you're going to make it more, just adjust accordingly. Increase all the ingredients accordingly. So I put my onions, and I think I need to get a spatula or a big spoon for stirring. So that's my spoon for stirring. My onions have gone in, and we'll let the onions cook in the butter. That's it. The onions are cooking. Let's go in with our garlic. Again, my garlic is about half or 3/4 of my handful. My hands are pretty small, by the way. So these are our 4 cloves of a garlic which have gone in. Stir it some more. So if you have noticed in my ingredients, I did not mention the use of the salt, alright, because the spices such as bay seasoning, Slapia Mama seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning, they already have some salt in them, and we don't want our dish to be all the more spicy, right? Even the Worcester sauce is tad salty. Okay, so I did not add that. And now let me go in with my ginger. So ginger is something which will give a nice taste, nice warmth to the butter sauce. So I like adding ginger, and we will stir in our aromatics. So this is like base actually for any type of cuisine. So mostly what I cook is I cook Indian food, and I cook Mexican food, and sometimes Cajun food, sometimes Italian food. And I find that the onion and the garlic are most common. Okay, so here you can see I have put my spices in. I've put my crabs in, or the crab legs in, because they would not fit the whole length of it. And that's the butter sauce. I have cooked with the crab legs in for 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Now what I will do is I will remove my legs, crab legs, and the sauce from the pan to a dish, the plating dish. And also in my ingredients, I had taken about 2 lemons. The lemons were from my garden. I used 1 lemon, and the other half of the other lemon, I have sliced it into 2, and I will use it while eating. So I will plate my crab sauce and the lemons. So I will show you the final result. So here you go, guys. This is the final result. I have taken our crabs, plated them. I've put the butter sauce on top, and the 2 lemon halves from the garden. So if you want to, you can serve the butter sauce separately and use it as a dip to eat along with your crab legs. I hope you find this video entertaining. I hope you found this video helpful and useful in using seafood as your prep. So this is an excellent dish to be shared by 2 people, and excellent dish for holidays. I hope you enjoy this dish and have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays with your family and your loved ones. If you do like the video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Bye.